Hey there, affiliate marketers. Today, I'm going to introduce you to something that could change the game for you, ImuRegen Glucan Plus. You might be wondering, what's so special about ImuRegen Glucan Plus? Well, let me break it down for you. This isn't just another health supplement on the market. It's packed with unique health benefits, particularly for growing children and the elderly. For kids, ImuRegen Glucan Plus supports growth by providing essential nutrients that aid in their development. It helps in boosting their immune system, making them more resilient against common illnesses. Think of it as a shield that keeps them protected while they explore the world. Now, for the elderly, ImuRegen Glucan Plus is a game changer. As we age, our body's ability to repair and regenerate tissue declines. ImuRegen Glucan Plus steps in to support normal organ tissue repair, recovery, and regeneration. It's like giving your body the tools it needs to stay in prime condition. But here's the kicker. ImuRegen Glucan Plus isn't just great for health, it's also an ideal product for affiliate marketing. Why? Because it's a product that practically sells itself. People are always on the lookout for effective health solutions, and this one ticks all the boxes. Imagine promoting a product that you truly believe in, one that delivers real results. Your audience will trust you more, and trust equals conversions. That's the secret sauce to successful affiliate marketing. And here's the best part. I can get my ImuRegen Glucan Plus for free through the Forever Healthy Affiliate Program. Yes, you heard that right. For free, the Forever Healthy Affiliate Program is designed to reward you for spreading the word about ImuRegen Glucan Plus. Simply sign up, promote the product, and earn commissions on every sale. The more you sell, the more rewards you get, including your own supply of ImuRegen Glucan Plus. Think about it. Getting a product that supports your health while making money at the same time. It's a win-win situation. So if you're ready to take your affiliate marketing to the next level and promote a product that truly makes a difference, click the link below to join the Forever Healthy Affiliate Program today. Let's start this journey to better health and financial success together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy.